it's Kathy the Crafty Chica. Today we are converting bottles into beautiful hand-painted vases. First thing, you want to take inventory of all your glass bottles. You can even shop for them, empty them out, rinse them, and then pick up a glass cutter like this. I bought it on Amazon. The link is in my description. I love it because it came with everything that I need. And you want to put your bottle in, follow the directions, and you want to make it sound like this. You want to hold the bottle firmly and turn it towards you in long strokes, and you'll know when you reach the end. And then you have a pot of hot boiling water and a bucket of ice water. You're going to be really careful wearing the gloves. Hold the bottom of the bottle, submerge it into the boiling water for about 30 seconds, and then submerge it into the ice water. If it doesn't break up, repeat the process until it does. Now, in this case, you can see where the water is going in through the seam that I created, and it broke off. It's a little uneven. This definitely takes practice. It took me about 3 tries until I got the hang of it, but then I had so much fun with it. You want to use the sandpaper in the kit to smooth down the top so that it's all nice and even until you don't see any shiny parts of the glass. After that, you want to go in with the sandpaper and smooth up all of the edges. I was going to make these drinking glasses, but I decided to make them hand-painted vases instead because who needs more dishes to do, right? And I thought these could be great for Thanksgiving or for Christmas to give as small gifts to people, or maybe as part of a place setting, a little thank you gift. And I just went in with all of my different paints. I used glass paint, and I just added different flowers, and at the end let it dry and add a sealer. You could even use a sparkle sealer. And then I added some little gems just for some sparkle, and look how they came out. They look so beautiful. You can see the little gem in there that I put. You can decoupage on them. You could paint different family members' faces on them. Thanks for checking out my tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and visit craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas.